What's the meaning of borrower? Borrower. Borrower.
Borrower. Borrower. A borrower is a person or entity that receives, or borrows, funds from another person or entity with the understanding that they will repay the funds at a later date. The lender may charge interest on the amount borrowed as compensation for the temporary use of the money. Borrowers may be individuals, businesses, governments, or other organizations, and they typically borrow money for a variety of reasons, such as financing a home or business, paying for education, or covering unexpected expenses. Borrowing can be an effective way to finance investments or achieve goals, but it also carries risks, such as debt accumulation and potential default.